Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change region in Netflix. So keep in mind that this process differs from Android devices and to your iPhone devices. So let's get started. So first is to simply check whether your Netflix account needs to be updated. So begin by verifying if your Netflix app is running the latest version. Go to your app store and check if it needs to be updated. So if it's like this, you just simply go to the step 2, which is clearing the app cache. So navigate to your settings and then find and select general. Then choose iPhone storage. And then if you spot the search icon in the top right, you may tap it or type Netflix. And then once you have it, then just tap on it. And then you can tap offload the app to clear the cache and then reinstall it. So don't worry, all your data will remain intact. The third option will be adjusting the language settings. So just simply return to your device settings, scroll down until you locate the app. From there, you may adjust the language settings as needed. So if this helps, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.